Flash news for DBS Daily. Star performer shot dead during Christmas Gala. In a shocking turn of events at the glamorous San Marco Bar's Christmas Gala, tragedy struck as the star performer, Miss Going, was shot dead on stage just moments before her much-anticipated performance. The bar, owned by the affluent Mr. Glenn, known for hosting extravagant parties for charity, was left in shock and disbelief as the festive atmosphere quickly turned into chaos. Glenn had spared no expense in ensuring a memorable evening. He had personally hired Miss Going, the star of the show, to grace the stage and entertain the guests at the gala. But he now finds himself under scrutiny as a potential suspect. Mr. Glenn's connections to various circles, including an escort business, add an enigmatic layer to the unfolding drama. Despite a seemingly happy marriage to Coach Raph, questions linger about the secrets that may be hidden beneath the surface. The twist in the tale unfolded when Miss Going, amidst apparent pre-performance jitters, expressed her intention to reveal a problem to the audience. However, before she could utter a word, she was tragically shot dead in front of the stunned audience. Chief Jeff, deeply in love with Miss Going, had his affections denied by the star, adding a layer of complexity to the unfolding drama. Coach Raph, Glenn's wife, who had dedicated herself to training Miss Going to perfection, was left in shock by the sudden turn of events. She had invested significant time and effort into molding Miss Going into the star she had become on stage. Adding another dimension to the story, the backup dancer, Mr. Manuel, the envy-fueled backup dancer, harboring ambitions of taking center stage, raises eyebrows as a possible suspect with a motive to eliminate the competition. The late arrival of the bouncer, Kyle, adds another layer of suspicion. Was his tardiness a mere coincidence, or did it play a role in the tragic turn of events? As the investigation into Miss Going's murder intensifies, the waiter, Mr. James Red, known for his talkative nature and keen observations, becomes a crucial witness. He alleges that in the midst of the gala's excitement, he caught sight of a mysterious figure holding a gun, their identity shrouded in darkness. This revelation adds a layer of complexity to the emerging narrative, implicating the presence of an unknown assailant with a lethal agenda. The question now lingers: was Miss Going targeted, or was this a crime of opportunity amidst the chaos of the Christmas Gala? Mr. Glenn, the bar's affluent owner, Coach Raph, Miss Going's mentor who had a love and hate relationship with her, and even Chief Jeff, entangled in a love triangle with the star performer, now find themselves not only suspects but potential targets as well. The envy-fueled backup dancer, Mr. Manuel, and the tardy bouncer, Kyle, also fall under the investigative spotlight as the plot thickens. The San Marco Bar, once a symbol of high society opulence, is now a crime scene, teeming with whispers of clandestine affairs, hidden motives, and the unmasking of dark secrets. This is Albert Rodriguez reporting, for the DBS Daily.